Hi everyone, it's Tiffany and Nova and Rosie with Easy Toddler Hairstyles, and today we are showing you a really fun and festive Christmas tree hairstyle. It's really easy, will only take you 5 to 10 minutes to do. Just has 2 triangles up front, which helps it resemble a Christmas tree. So we are gonna go ahead and get started. Her hair is a bit damp and I'm making sure that it's completely free of tangles as I can comb all the way through it. I'm then going to come from her nose and come straight up, and from this center area I am going to make a triangle that comes back about 2 to 3 inches. So we're just going to angle it, and when the hair is damp you're able to get a more precise part. And then I'm going to come back over to the other side and do the same thing, and then come back, like I said, 2 to 3 inches and part off the back area. Now if it doesn't look quite symmetrical the first time, go ahead and repart it. You can look from the front and the back to make sure that you're staying centered. Then I'm going to place an elastic in the back middle portion of this triangle, and that is going to be the top of our Christmas tree. From here I'm going to add a little bit more water, hairspray, spray gel to hold it down, and then comb out the area back behind it. I'm going to come directly behind the center of that ponytail and start another triangle. Again, coming back probably 2 to 3 inches. Now in this tutorial I'm just doing 2 triangles. You can do 3 triangles to make it look even more like a Christmas tree, but I simplified it with just 2, and it still looks really cute from the back like a Christmas tree. So after I have the second triangle parted out, we are going to take our ponytail from the first one, add it to the second one, make sure it is combed through, and add an elastic. You can leave the style as a half-up style like this and add a bow for your Christmas tree. For this particular style we are going to put it into pigtails. So I'm going to make a part down the center of the head, coming directly behind that middle ponytail again, and then to the nape of her neck. I'll loosely secure one side off while I work on the other side, making sure to comb out all areas so that it's nice and smooth. Once I've got it combed out, I'm going to add an elastic so that I have a low pigtail. And then we will just repeat this on the right side, just using some water and spray gel to keep the flyaways at bay, and then creating a low pigtail. This is also low pigtails are also great styles when you want your little one to wear a hat, because it doesn't get in the way. Our last step for this hairstyle is to take that last triangle in the back and split it in half. I'm going to slightly twist each piece and bring them down and add them each to their respective low pigtail. So there's the right, twist the left side and bring it down into the low pigtail on the other side. And that is it, a really fast 5 to 10 minute cute Christmas hairstyle. We hope that you enjoyed this really fun Christmas hairstyle. If you aren't already, go ahead and follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Easy Toddler Hairstyles. We hope that you have very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and we will see you in the new year.
Bye.
See you later.